Ever wake up feeling off, but still push through your day? That's when we say we're under the weather. To be under the weather means you're not feeling well, physically or even mentally. It's a polite, everyday way to say you're sick or just not at your best. I was under the weather, so I skipped the gym. She's a bit under the weather after working all weekend. He's under the weather, but still came to class. It's one of the most common idioms you'll hear in casual conversation. So where does it come from? One popular explanation says sailors who felt ill were sent below deck, literally under the weather, to recover. It fits, but historians aren't certain. Early uses of the phrase appear in the 1800s, often in nautical writing. But instead of being about location, under the weather seems to have meant affected by bad weather, like being seasick or weakened by storms. Over time, it broadened into the general meaning we know today, just feeling unwell. This idiom is informal. It works in daily conversation, but you probably wouldn't say it in a medical report or formal writing. So when was the last time you felt a little under the weather? Maybe it was stress, a cold, or just one of those days. Share it below, and remember, everyone has those moments. See you next time in Between the Words.